front of me is Unpin phone 3A Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Start by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Now, to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner. Then to go back, tap on this arrow at the top left one. When you're ready, you can learn to use Clipboard by simply copying or cutting any text. Now, to paste it instantly, just click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on those four squares I think, at the top right corner and hit Clipboard again to click on your text. If you wanna paste it after an hour though, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete anything from Clipboard, you can swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and click on the Delete button. If you wanna disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!